Your AirPods Pro 3, released in 2024, might not be showing up in your Bluetooth list or syncing with iCloud for a few common reasons. First, check for basic issues like outdated software on your iPhone, Mac, or other device. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled and your AirPods have enough battery. Interference from Wi-Fi or other devices can also cause problems. iCloud sync issues often stem from incorrect Apple ID logins or disabled iCloud features. We will fix that soon. Start by resetting your AirPods Pro 3. Press and hold the setup button on the back of the charging case until the status light flashes amber, then white. Next, forget the AirPods in your device's Bluetooth settings and repair them. Ensure your Apple devices are signed into the same iCloud account with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled. Update your device's operating system to the latest version. iOS 18.4 or later includes Bluetooth stability fixes. Keep your devices within 30 feet of each other, free of obstructions. If problems persist, verify your iCloud storage plan isn't full or expired. As a last resort, contact Apple support, but most issues are solved with these steps.